this is what I am wearing inside, but I have like two coats in mind, but I'm not sure which is gonna look good. So I have like this white one with like some floral print and a basic gray. So I'm just gonna wear them both and see which will look better for the day. This kind of looks like a workwear. I think it kind of looks like formal, like this is the back, and I have a blog and I have to go IKEA, so I think this is just not giving that mood. So let's try the gray one. It's giving very cute comfy vibe, so I think I'll go with this for today. And now let's just accessorize the outfit a little to give some bling. I have these jewelries with me, so I wanted to go with silver for today as my accessories. So a necklace, a bracelet, and a watch. I think it's okay, it's not too much. And let's wear, I don't know, I think if I wear the hijab it's anyways gonna hide off the necklace, but let's try. I don't know if it's gonna show if I wear the hijab on, but I think I'll just stick to the watch and the bracelet, and maybe I'll just remove this. Not feeling it. Okay, so for hijabs I have a black one and a gray one. This gray is a bit darker from my outfit, so it'll look better, but I don't know if I should go with gray and gray on the top, or should I go with black. I think black suits me better, I think, or I don't know. The gray is, it's not gonna look nice if I just wear it on top with a gray. I think I'll go with black. So black is a win. For shoes I have these black comfy shoes and white shoes as well. I don't know if I should go with a black or a white because I have to do a lot of work today and walking as well, so I don't know, maybe I'll go with comfy so my feet doesn't hurt in the end of the day. And I will show you my final outfit. For bag, I'm wearing my just go-to bag, which I just like to carry with me, and it has literally all of my things that I carry. So I'm just gonna some perfume. So this is like a very local Bahraini brand perfume, that's my favorite. Got my sunglasses and we're ready to go. And then we headed to the first location, which was a coverage for a bakery, which is KR Bakery. Their ambience is super cute, and they had varieties and delicious desserts that you must definitely try. Also this absolutely incredible hot chocolate, which had a hint of coffee flavor to it, and it was creamy and yummy. You must definitely try their drinks and their desserts if you are living in Bahrain, and if you have watched this video. I'm going to pray at this masjid, and I met there's like two people here, two ladies. They were so cute. Like they were offering me some food, and they speak in Arabic, so they were just trying to interact with me, and it was so cute. And then we went to IKEA and we looked around and then purchased the things that we needed. And if you go to IKEA, you definitely should have their ice cream. So that's it for today, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and show some love in the comments. I will see you soon again. Bye bye.